Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your inbox on ClickUp. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're using ClickUp and you want to go ahead and customize your inbox. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to ClickUp. Then click on Inbox. And then from here, you could actually go ahead and click on the upper right-hand corner where it says Customize. And so with this customization tab, you can toggle on off different things. So you can toggle on or off the Show All tab. You can toggle on or off Group by Date. You can toggle on and off Sort by Newest First. In addition, there's also a different display mode where you can display the full inbox, or you can do an inline inbox as well. And you can also customize the notification settings for your inbox as well. So here, if you click on notification settings, you can see that there's a drop down in which you can receive notifications by default, focused, or custom notifications. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and customize your inbox on ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.